Welcome back to Dad Try Stuff. Today we're trying out a UTV, where we are with Hatcher Pass UTV Tours in Alaska. Buckle up, it's going to be a fun ride.
Would you change if you wasn't here? Just leave mine on.
Yeah, that'll work.
Well, 12 it is.
You got some on there?
Yeah, I got some.
I think it's a.
Let's see. Is this the back?
Let's see if that's the. Let's see, this one.
So right here is your four-wheel drive system. It's your four-wheel standard. We'd appreciate if you kept it there. If you get stuck, here's your winch to go in and out. We'll hook you up. We'll tell you in and out, that sort of thing. You shouldn't get stuck.
She about to flip it already.
Oh my
Oh,
God!
yeah.
Yeah, baby! Yeah! They're gonna get muddy.
Houston! Just keep going.
Alright, we're gonna jump into low gear for
Alright.
this. This is gonna be called Left Side Creek. I don't have a creative name for it yet.
All right. Dude, you can't wait to smile off your face, man. Like,
Oh my God!
Whoa! Woo!
oh yeah.
He wasn't kidding.
Dude, them people aren't even gonna see him out of rear view. There he is.
Woo!
Yeah! Yeah!
All right, just got back. It was about 3 hours of driving. It was awesome. The first part you spend really going through rivers, which is incredible. I do recommend getting their boots and wearing them because you do get several inches of water into the UTVs. So, but it's super fun. The second part, you're going through this incredible valley, very rocky and bumpy. You're not going as fast, only about 5-10 miles an hour. But the scenery is absolutely incredible. We had a group of 8, 16 to 71 of ages, and we all had a great time. So Hatcher Pass ATV Tours in Alaska. It's about 2 hours from Anchorage. Highly recommended. Thanks for watching Dad Try Stuff. We'll see you in the next video.